Sure nobody's ever done this with the Byron T-34?
No, probably not. Beauty. Beauty. And welcome back to Just Wing It. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, boys and girls, RC model aviation enthusiasts all across the globe. We're here this morning with Jay Kerr.
Hi.
And I'll tell you what, this is a plane I've been wanting to get on video. Hey, Jay, tell us about this plane. Tell us what this thing is. Where'd you find it? What's going on with this?
This is an old Byron T-34. I found it in Georgia. The guy had it hanging on his wall and didn't build it, just hung it on his wall. And then I acquired it about a month ago. Assembled it, converted it into a 6L operation, put electric retracts and made it more modern to fly.
Yeah.
It flies like a dream.
Yeah, it's just a beauty, man. And this is what, fiberglass fuse?
Yeah, all fiberglass fuse with foam core wing.
Yep.
Weighs about 6.5 pounds.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Not bad. Yeah. We'll just get you enjoying your plane. If you don't mind describing it as you go, that's great. But hey, so it's 6 cell power. What's the motor?
The motor actually came out of FMS Tiger Cat.
This is a Tiger Cat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had an FMS motor laying around, and I slapped that in there. Flies on a 80 amp speed controller.
Okay.
So
you got a cut down 15-inch prop, right?
Yep. It's a 14.8.
Okay.
Yep. I could not find a 14.8 to save my butt. So I cut it down. And,
yeah.
And it flies great.
Yeah.
About 7 minutes flight time.
Cool.
So.
Well, we'll get you flying her, brother. I won't hold you up. It's beautiful weather.
We'll put it through its paces.
Absolutely. Absolutely. This is a ultra rare Byron T-34 Mentor. It's part of their all Bonanza line they had. It's just beautiful. Yeah, so Jay, you were saying that you had one of these way back when you were a kid, huh?
I've always wanted one when I was.
Oh, okay.
I saw it in the magazine.
Oh, you saw, yeah, RC Modeler, and yeah.
Yeah, saw it.
Byron those old Byron ads, yep.
Yeah. Set.
All right.
Ready to go.
Oh, what a beauty. Got that gear going up. That's just sexy. Yeah, Byron, back in the day, Byron ruled the roost for scale model aircraft. Really did. And to catch this one with Jay this morning is just beautiful. And Jay flies these things so smooth. Oh, come on. Just a beauty.
The T-34 is one of the best flying birds.
Oh, absolutely. So this would have been the lead up, right? So I guess this would have been a T-34, like a T-28, and then a jet trainer, probably, huh?
Yep.
Would have been the...
Yep, and now they make it a turboprop here.
Oh, look at that slow roll. Man. Just a beauty. It's in the classic U.S. Navy training colors, red and white.
We'll do a little inverted flying here.
Okay.
See how good it flies.
Wow. She doesn't seem to mind it at all. Huh.
6 minutes.
Sure nobody's ever done this with the Byron T-34?
No, probably not. Beauty. Beauty. She's just so graceful. I mean,
Flies like a dream. And that's
Yeah.
half throttle there.
that's half throttle. Jeez.
Now we'll come by and do a gear check.
Sure.
Come by here,
Absolutely.
drop the flaps here.
So you go about half flap or full
Full flap.
full flap? Okay. Landing flaps full.
Here,
And
coming down.
gear coming down. Got it.
Lock you go.
Yep. Got, what do you call it? 3 in the green?
Another flyby here, make sure we're looking good.
And again, this is a Byron T-34 Mentor. Very rare, mid-80s kit. There can't be.
Probably 20 of these.
Yeah, I was gonna say there cannot
I
be.
probably have the only one flying.
You might. You know, ladies and gentlemen, you might be seeing the only Byron T-34 still flying. I mean, Jay just loves these things. He just loves these older models. So.
Here on
Oh, come on.
the nose up there.
Yeah. Oh,
Nose
come
down.
on. Bravo,
Down,
Maestro. Bravo. Gee whiz.
4,
Byron T-34 Mentor. We're with Jay Kerr. This is one of the last days we're going to have of decent weather here before the winds come back in the Mojave Desert. But look at this thing. Look at this thing. Pilot in there. That's just beautiful, man. That's just beautiful. That's awesome. I mean, I'll tell you what. So, Jay, let's get an after-action pilot's report. What you got, brother? Tell.
Biggest trainer, biggest easy flying bird out there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this plane is definitely does what it's supposed to do.
Sure. And even though it's a trainer, you know, people might say Airfinger's trainer. It can do some maneuvers. You know, you can do some inverted with it.
Oh yeah, if I bump up the power, I can put it through its paces.
Absolutely.
I just don't feel like another project right now.
well, you know, I've always said that, you know, so what are you, Jay? Are you thinking you're preserving this, or because remember you said you're like this is like a conversation piece, and
I built it for a conversation piece, and
Yeah.
I built it. I wanted something a little different, and you know everybody's got T-28s coming out.
yeah,
It's
I got one sitting in the car right now, you know.
Yeah.
So, but this is a really neat plane, and you go hopefully Winter Warbirds this year, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it to Winter Warbirds and bring my big comp P-51 Mustang and have this as a backup and a conversation piece.
Absolutely.
Everybody else can enjoy it.
Yeah.
And bring back old memories.
Yes, sir. Warm feelings inside, brother.
Yep.
All right. Well, hey, thank you, Jay, for letting me join you out here at William Bennett Field in Las Vegas. Appreciate you, brother. I really do. Thanks for letting us spend some time with you at the field today.
Yep. Thank you.
All right. Take care, brother. All right. And thanks for tuning in, everybody. Much more to come from Just Wing It. Leave a thumbs up, subscription. Looking forward to all your comments about this Byron T-34 Mentor. Cheers, everybody.